I ordered it the morning they posted it. This is the R5 Mark II. I can't believe I have it in my hand. We're about to do an unboxing and just kind of a first look at just the screen, turning it on, getting it set up, breaking out of the box. So that's what this is. It's just kind of a first look. We're going to turn it on. We're going to set it up. We're just going to go through the menu. I just got to look at it and see the differences kind of between it and the R5 One. All right, let's open this thing up and take a look at it. Let me tell you guys how excited I am for this thing. So, looks like it's going to come with a new battery dock. They all do. So they come with a battery, and I honestly bought an extra one of these because I'm going to be shooting a lot in the AK-60, and this LPE6P battery is going to be more powerful and stronger, so I went ahead and bought an extra one, so I have two. Charging cable, gill besides the front. Here we go, let's pull this baby out. So nice. I'm so excited. So it has a top piece here that has a lock on it. That's pretty cool. Cool shoe mount lock. Good protection, probably waterproof as well. Let's go ahead and take a little peek. Very nice. Already getting my finger smudges on it. That's alright. Look at the top of this, guys. On the side, your typical mic, HDMI. The same as an R5 or any of these new ones, but they've changed the buttons on the top a little bit, so it looks like here we have a new switch on, lock, off, and then a couple different places for buttons versus the R5 original. All the buttons here are the same. Alright, let's pop his battery and you can see if this guy has any charge. We're gonna slide this new battery that came with it, and the old ones. The old batteries will work, but you're gonna need this battery. But if you want to run the high frame rate, if you want to run the AK-60 for anything, and I know you're thinking, what do I need AK-60 for? We use it for product stuff. I'm gonna shoot some stuff with it, so just pick up a couple extra batteries. You will need them. The old batteries will run in the camera, but they will not shoot in the high frame rates. I've heard that they're not going to work for certain things, so make sure you pick up the new batteries. Alright, let's turn this thing on. Looks like we have a load of power. Here we go. First time, camera going on. And we're not getting anything. That's not the on button. See, I'm used to the R5. I switched this side and that was not the R button. So let's try the on button. There we go. Beautiful. Don't have a lens on, so there's not going to be any kind of focus or anything. So I pushed mode here, and it's going to take us same screen as always from the other Canons. I'm going to go ahead and throw it in manual. Alright, so now we're in manual. Throw that ISO of there. Shutter here. ISO, or that's going to be the f-stop. And the ISO is this wheel here up top. So stock, it's going to come with the ISO being the wheel up top. And it's going to come with the shutter being this wheel. I mean, that's the way I always liked it. And this one right here will be the f-stop. But it's not moving because I do not have a lens on there. So we're in photo mode. If we switch over to video mode, takes us over to video mode. We're going to check out some of these. Check out some of these screens. Here we go. Some of these options. So it looks like you can only shoot AK-60 if you're shooting in RAW. Dual shooting still and movie off. Drive mode. High speed. Quality up. Alright, so yeah. Yep. So I was really excited for the dual shooting photo and view at the same time. So I want to let you guys know that it's only available in HD. And so if you turn it on and off here, you'll see it's on now, and you'll see right here, you can shoot at high speed. But if you go back and see, the movie is automatically set to FHD 30. So you're not going to be able to shoot high frame rates and high 4K and take photos at the same time. But if you just want to do something simple like some HD video for football, for social media, and you want to take stills of the same time, then that's going to be killer. So we'll go back up here. And we'll click on still a movie, and we're going to go ahead and turn it off. And as you see, that takes us back to 8K 60, and we're ready to go there. So let's take massive recording time displayed yellow. The camera may shut down awkwardly due to the rise from the right. Painful movie cropping disable. So now we got just our normal custom picture, your logs and all that stuff, HDR. All right, let's switch it back over to photo. Here we go, back over to photo. Let's see what the menu looks like. Ready to go ahead and set this back here. And this side, we're gonna go. We're gonna RAW and JPEG for photo. Kind of check out some of these other pages, see what's going on. Picture style, standard. Everything looks really similar to the R5 II, so don't be afraid of it. It's just going to be pretty much an upgrade with certain other things. 8K60 was just a really important thing for us. Overall, I'm really excited to use this camera. Image stabilizer mode on, still photo on EIS. Very good, okay. It's just so many different things. They really updated a lot of stuff. Alright guys, that's going to wrap up this unboxing and first look at the R5 Mark II. Just kind of taking it out, turning it on, getting just a first feel for it in the hand, getting a look at the menu, just getting a look at it. Can't wait to test out some shots in 1080 and take some stills and video at the same time. Can't wait to test out the AK60. That wraps up this unboxing and kind of first look just at turning it on, getting it in hand. It feels good. Really excited for the R5 Mark II. But that's it for this one. I appreciate you guys checking out the video, and until the next one, peace.